Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
There we go. But if I tilt it like this, oh shit, it's still dark. Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. Thanks for tuning in. As you can see, my background is different. I'm outside in the front of the yard, which is very nice. Um, yes, so thanks to all the new subscribers. I'm a 290 subscriber. Yeah, welcome to JVLOGS. I really enjoy that. Thanks for subscribing to the channel, and I hope you find my content really nice. First of all, I'm sweating. It's in the evening, and I just showered, so never mind that. No, today I want to talk about security, securing your Facebook, securing your email, securing yourself online, and things you need to know when you get hacked. After you get hacked, the things you need to do. Now, normally when you get hacked on Facebook, Facebook have this notification where it tells you where you have been hacked and the location, the time, the location when you have been hacked. Normally when you're hacked in your email, it doesn't show you that because it's just your email, because Facebook use your email. They have different features that can tell you, where you've been hacked and ask if it's you. Now, after you have been hacked, they will ask you, was this you? And then you will know if you have been hacked, because if you're here in the States and you get hacked in, say, China or India or South America, then you know that it's unhacked. You didn't log in there because you weren't there. It's as simple as that. Now, in your mind, you're going to think, oh, shoot, I need to change my Facebook password. Well, the fact is, it's not your Facebook password that they hacked into, it's actually your email. And based on my experience, the most times when people get hacked, it's via their Yahoo. Yahoo is the least safest email client out there now. Um, a news story came out the other day that at least 200 and plus million people accounts have been hacked over the past few years. So Yahoo is not known for their security of their email client. Now take that into consideration. You need to have more than one email. So the options are, you have Hotmail, you have Gmail, I think you still have AOL, and a few more that you can use. Even Comcast, the internet provider, have their own email client. Now, what you need to do after you get hacked on Facebook, you need to change your email. Change your email on Facebook. Now, get in a new email, put that new one in, get rid of the old one that has been hacked into. After that, delete the old email that you got hacked into, because that has been compromised. They have hacked into it. You need to get rid of it, get all the information out of it, delete everything, transfer what you need to transfer over to the next email account. Now, after you have done that, you need to take the next step now and use a two-step authentication. This is where you use your cell phone number to put in to your account. When you're logging into your account, they send a code to your phone, and you have to use that code to log into your account. So if you're logging into Facebook, then you put in your phone number, then they send a code to your phone number, then you have to look at your phone and get the text message and punch in the code that they send you back to log into your Facebook. It is pretty safe because your phone is always on you, so it actually makes sense, right? If your phone is protected, it, password and everything, so you can log into it. So it is very, very safe. The two-step authentication, always keep that in mind. After that, ensure that you change up your passwords for all your different accounts online. Don't use one password for everything. That is not safe. Ensure that your password have letters, numbers, and symbols in there. Use that. That is very important. It's harder for hackers to get into your system when you use those kind of protective measures. Don't just use password 123. And you guys don't listen, because people still do this. People still use password 123. Oh my god, that is the easiest password out there. So use different password. Use two-step authentication to your accounts, and also use different password for all your different accounts. Write them down. Get password apps on your phone to put in different password in the app, so you can have access to it if you're always attached to your phone. Try not to store your password in your email as well, because if your email get hacked, then they can get your password to your bank and all of that information, you see. So write it down on a piece of paper, lock it up in a safe or something if you know forget password easily or whatever it is. But try to write it down on pen and paper and keep that safe. So that's about it, guys. This is very short. I also want to advise you to protect yourself when you're online. It's a day and age of technology, and people are going to try to exploit you and rob you and take out all your money into your bank account just by hacking into your emails. So try to protect yourself wherever, whenever you're online. You know, whatever you do, try to protect it. And I hope this really help you and kind of open your mind to the dangerous things or the dangerous hackers that are out there that is trying to rob you and rip you off. So thanks again for watching JVLOGS, guys. I'm really happy you guys are here. I'm feeling better now. I'm sweating a lot and I just showed it's humid outside, but yeah. Thanks, guys. Big up on yourself. JVLOGS, guys. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm gone.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay.